All right. So, okay. All right. So, today's homework. It's a bunch of word problems. Okay. Now I'm gonna pick. Two questions. All right. I'm gonna pick the most difficult one, and then my favorite one. All right. So now 31 is the most difficult one, and as I alluded to in class, I'm really hoping you would read the question, try to understand what the equation is, and then look at the equation, okay? Although it's kind of difficult because the equation's right in front of you, all right? And the reason why we're doing this is because we're going to do two-step word problems tomorrow. So I think this is a good warm-up. Okay, so look at 31. Now, you had $235 in your savings account 9 weeks ago. You withdrew the same amount each week for 8 weeks. Your balance was then $75, right? So the question is, what equation represents that? Now, I know it's tempted for you guys to do 8m minus 235, but you can't do that because what you're really doing is you're starting off with $235. And then you're subtracting the amount of money, which is what? 8 weeks, right? And however many dollar amount that you have, and you still want some money left. So it has to be this way, okay? Because you're starting off with this amount. So that's the only right way to do it, I suppose. Now, let's solve it. Negative 8m plus 235. So I'm going to subtract 235. So that cancels out negative 8m. Now 75 minus 235. I'm going to go to the calculator. Negative 160. All right, there you go. All right. So even though you're getting negative here at the beginning, you really don't have to worry too much about it because the other side, you also have a negative coefficient. So you're going to get a positive answer anyways. Positive 20. All right. $20. You can withdraw $20 a week for 8 weeks and still have $75 left. Okay, now here's my favorite question. Okay, my favorite, number 35. Right, it says a soccer player wants to eat 700 calories at a meal. Now, as far as I'm concerned, that's too little calories. 700 calories is nothing for me. That includes a Reuben sandwich. There we go. All right, Reuben sandwich. That's my favorite sandwich. All right, but it has to be a pastrami Reuben. Okay, so pastrami, sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, Russian dressing on rye. Okay, that's my favorite. All right. Okay, all right, enough with food and pickles. All right, if you're going to get pickles, get half sour, okay? Because regular pickles, too sour. Okay, all right. The sandwich has 464 calories and the pickles have 7 calories each. So the question is, I already know what it's asking. How many pickles can you eat, okay? Now, I've eaten a lot of Reuben sandwiches in my lifetime, and I can guarantee you that a Reuben sandwich does not have 464 calories unless you're eating half of it, all right? So, okay, all right. Now, if you can, so he can only eat 700 calories, all right? That's the assumption. And each pickle is 7 calories. And you still got the big sandwich. Right? So you're eating one sandwich. That's why this number is fixed and is not multiplied to anything. You're not eating 2 sandwiches, you're not eating 3 sandwiches. You're having one sandwich. Right? And so you want to see just how many of these 7-calorie pickles that you can eat. Think of it like that. All right. So let's subtract 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2. Now let's see, 236 divided by 7. What? $700 calories, 464, right? 236. 236 divided by. Yeah, I got 33.7. All right, now this is interesting because it doesn't say what he wants to eat maximum or minimum. So I don't know how to round this only because of that. So let's see, 33.7. Now let's say he doesn't want to go over. All right. If he doesn't want to go over, it has to be 33 pickles. Now, here's the thing. If he wants to eat a minimum of 700 calories, then it has to be 34 pickles. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. All right. Weird question. All right. Part B. Suppose a soccer player drinks a 200 calorie sports drink with the number. So now he adds another 200 calories to this sandwich, so to speak. So you got 7x, right, plus 664 equals to what? 700. So let's solve that real quick. 700 minus 664, 36 divided by 7, 5.14. So I'm just going to round it off to 5. It's 5 pickles. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's sign off. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
OMG, that was so good.